This video is sponsored by Ghosttech's new Rapture headphones. For more information, make sure you check down below in the description or stay tuned till after the video.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Jonathan and it's that time of year again, CES time, and I'm back with you with my CES bag and what I'm bringing with me to CES 2018. So first off, the bag is from Hex. If you don't know about Hex, Hex is a bag manufacturer. They also make iPhone cases and they're really modern, very durable, and a little unique. I like their bags. I've been a big fan of their bags since they sent me their sneaker bag, which I might show you in a separate video, but this is a DSLR bag and it's awesome. I have a ton of stuff in here. In case you can't tell, it is packed to the brim. All right, so first of all, we have some small pockets right here. My very first pocket, I have all of my business cards. So we have those right here. And right below that, I have my Zeiss wipes. Keep all the phone screens and tablet screens, laptop screens, and anything else that has a screen clean. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dive into one of the main compartments. So you can see it's a little clasp. Go ahead and unzip it from over here. And inside here is gonna be my MacBook Pro first and foremost. And I got a colorware skin on here. That's why it looks so classy. And you're probably wondering, why does it have a black Band-Aid up here? I'm gonna show you why that's there in just a minute, but you can see colorware skin. And inside, I got like their jet black version. All right, so I also got some headphones in here. These are the Sennheiser PXE 550s. They're their premium headphones, not the most premium, but still for what, 350 bucks, 400 bucks, they sound amazing. They have some of the best noise cancellation on the market. And overall, I'm really pleased with these. These are what I'm gonna listen to on that 5.5-hour flight to Vegas, which, nah. Of course, I gotta bring my Switch. It's too long of a flight for me not to bring the Switch. And I got a little Switch case here. All of this stuff will be linked down below if you feel like picking any of it up. I'm not gonna get into detail about pricing or anything like that. You can find all that down in the description. But I got my Switch here. Nothing fancy except for it has been decked out by colorware, because you know I gotta rock it. I got the custom colorware version with the fingerprints included. I gotta include the fingerprints. It's looking kind of nasty. It's okay though. The colorware exclusive, I got the dark blue, the dark green with like their jet black on the back. My Minix Thunderbolt 3 adapter. So basically this just plugs into 2 of the Thunderbolt 3 ports on the MacBook Pro. It gives you USB 3.0 2 ports. You also get a USB-C port and a Thunderbolt 3 port with a micro SD card slot, standard SD card slot, and then your HDMI, which can power 4K, I think it's at 60 Hertz. All the details again down below. The reason why I have that ugly Band-Aid on the MacBook Pro. So this is my external SSD here. It's a SanDisk Extreme Pro 900, I believe. The speeds on it are incredible, but I just have a piece of Velcro here, so whenever I'm like on the plane or I'm at like a Starbucks, I can just put it together and it will stay connected. So I don't have to worry about dropping my SSD or my external SSD by accident. Nothing's gonna break, everything's staying nice and organized. So just a little hack. I have my eye roller here to make sure that everything stays clean. You can see, check that out. I actually picked this up from Your Average Consumer. Saw it in one of his videos. God, that looks nasty. Eye roller cleans your screens, cleans anything, and it's reusable. You can clean it under the sink, fire. I also have another screen cleaner here in case that one fails, gotta have a backup. This is the Screen Clean. This is actually from Carbon Clean. Didn't know that, I thought I was from 3M. Boy, was I wrong. I also have a notebook in here in case I need to take some notes. I am attending a few events, not saying that I'm going to take any notes, but I have the ability. And it has a special pen here. So this is similar to the one that you heat up in the microwave and it erases everything, except with this one, you can use like some soap and water, just wipe it off and it will come clean, completely reusable for life. So all about that recycling life, that's what I'm doing here. And that is it for this section here. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the bag over, and this is actually like the #1 main compartment. This is where all of the gear and accessories are stored. So I like the fact that it has a back compartment because it keeps all of your stuff protected. It's not like someone can get into your bag if it's on your back. So we'll go ahead and open this up. And the camera that I'm taking with me to CES is actually the Fuji X-T2. Now, I'm sure some of you are probably confused by this because, I don't know, I was actually confused why I have this camera, but The image quality off of this is amazing. Plus, it's very small, very compact. There's 3 batteries actually in this thing right now, and it's smaller than a 5D, so awesome. Then I'm also bringing another lens for the Fuji X-T2. This is a Rokinon lens, 21 millimeter, I think, 22 millimeter. And it's aperture f1.4 manual lens, but because it has that bright aperture of f1.4, that's why I'm bringing it. Then I have the Rode Video Mic Pro, in case I want to do any vlogging, or if I just want to hit the floor and not have to worry about bringing any expensive mics, I can just bring this, attach it to the top of the Fuji, I'm good to go. I also have a ball head, which goes with the Edelkrone travel slider. So this is a portable electronic slider. It's this small, tiny. Put the ball head on top and I have pretty much a full slider right here. This is an awesome tool. And the tripod that I'm bringing is a Benro tripod that just attaches to the side of the bag here. So I have a slider, tripod, and a ball head. Pretty much everything I need for a large production I can bring with me to CES and do small productions with. Pretty awesome. Moving forward, I got my pocket rocket. Not what you little perverts are thinking of. This is my little red rocket here that not what you little perverts are thinking of. This is a rocket and it blows. This is actually used to clean your camera sensor or your lenses. It's really a necessity if you shoot video or do any photo work. Definitely a key tool in your bag. Then I have my Zoom H1. Now, you don't have to have the most expensive audio equipment to capture good audio. The Zoom H1 is a prime example of this, and I plan on using this for any interviews that I might have to do at CES. It's inexpensive, it's like 80 bucks. I got the blue one here. You put the foam windscreen right on top. And here's another little hack for you. So this is actually a medical pouch, but I've used it for an all-in-one SD card, CFast card, micro SD card, and all of my audio equipment bag. In the main compartment here, I have like my AVX stuff, which I'm actually using the AVX system right now, so I can't show you all that, but you can see I had the batteries in here, and then of course the AVX system will be in here with these batteries. Then inside, you have several different little pouches here. So you have like, it's like a organizer's wet dream right here. This is amazing. I have a few little odds and ends here, like my red tool. I have a Edelkrone. It's like a universal adapter, so you can put this on the bottom of your camera and then your camera will mount to anything pretty much. Armando showed me this and it's really awesome. This is definitely a really cool tool. A little bit pricey, but it gives your camera a little bit more flexibility in terms of mounting it to different quick release plates. So then right above that, I have the only cable I'm bringing with me, which is a universal cable from Nomad. And it's rugged, it's made like of this like rope material, and it features a lightning, micro USB, and USB-C plug right at the top, and it, just a standard USB at the bottom here. So the next thing is my color checker passport. I use this to make sure my exposure, focus, and white balance is correct. This is the video version. Again, that link is down below if you want any more information on it. All right, so the last thing I have in this little pouch here is a external battery pack from Anker. Shout out to Danny for giving this to me. Thing is awesome. It has their own technology, the IQ, which basically adapts to the charging speed of your device. So it doesn't matter if you're trying to get like iPhone fast charging or Galaxy S8 fast charging. The Anker is gonna know what kind of device you have, and it's gonna give it the amount of juice that it needs to fast charge. And it's 20,000 milliamp hours, and it's pretty small. I gotta admit, this thing is awesome. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's my CES bag. I know it's a ton of stuff, and the bag was like overflowing, but these are my essentials. This is pretty much everything that I need to hit the floor and make some content and get it to you guys. Make sure you subscribe for that content. If you don't want to miss it, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you already are subscribed, turn on those notifications so you can be alerted when my CES content drops. Who knows, I might even do a giveaway from CES, so that's just more the reason to subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, drop it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down below in a comment. And of course, I'll talk to you in the next one. Be easy.
Number one, how much crap is in this bag? If you see him, rob him, because I'm about to.